Hello everyone, this is Rajan and today I'm going to show you how to export a video from Adobe Premiere Pro in a smaller size with the best quality. So let's get started. Yes, before started, I request to you please subscribe my channel and share this to your friends. Thank you. Here you can see that a project I have just completed and waiting to export. Go to File menu and select Export, select the media. In this media panel, media pop-up box, you can see the format and the preset. Take a look to the format. Here is a lots of format. You can choose whatever you want, and whenever you choose anything, for example, I'm using H264 because it's a standard format and it supports all kinds of device, event, website. Well, this format has a lots of presets. Here you can see a lot of presets. For example, I'm using the high bitrate. If we take a high bitrate, then we can see in the bottom the file estimated size. For example, it takes 382 Mbps. If we select the medium bitrate, then the size has been decreased to the 180 MB. Well, if you want to more decrease this size, you can choose this video and select the bitrate, target bitrate 3 from 2 and the maximum bitrate 6 from 4. Yes, now you can see that it came in 81 MB only. And if we go to the audio and if we take, for example, 5 and 1 channel, okay, and the audio quality is medium, you can choose low or high, it doesn't bother. But if you take a bitrate, for example, here is the audio bitrate. If we decrease the audio bitrate from the 160, then our size is 80 MB only. It's time to export our video. Then how do we export it? Here the button is export and the Q. Q button means if you have the Adobe dynamic link has been installed, then you can use this Q button, or if you don't have, then you can use the export button. But remember, if you choose this export button, it will take a longer time to render it. But if you have a Adobe dynamic link installed on your computer, it may take a short time to complete it. Adobe dynamic link, that means the QuickTime should be installed on your computer, and you have to install Adobe Media Encoder, which is similar to your Premiere version. I am just pressing the Q button only. When I press the Q button, the same setting will appear to the Adobe Media Encoder, and now it's time to render it. Here the green button. This green button is for render and the red button is for stop. For example, I'm using the render right now. My rendering is being started. Well, this is how we can change our format and we can decrease our size, but our video quality should be the same. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.